Hello, food enthusiasts, and welcome back to Health Haven. Today, we're diving into the world of a humble yet extraordinary ingredient, garlic. It's not just a flavorful addition to your dishes, it's a true superfood with a wide array of benefits. So let's peel back the layers and discover the amazing benefits of garlic. First, let's get to know garlic a bit better. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for centuries for its culinary and medicinal properties. It's a member of the onion family and is packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds. Garlic is a bulbous herb and one of the oldest crops. The plant originated in Central Asia and is recognized for its varieties found there. Today, around 10 million metric tons of garlic are produced worldwide each year, with China being the main garlic producer with 66% of garlic production. Garlic is a source of nutritional energy. It has few calories but is rich in essential nutrients such as manganese, vitamin C, vitamin B6, allicin, sulfur, zinc, and calcium, which have health and skin benefits, as well as antibiotic and antifungal properties. Now let's explore some of the remarkable health benefits of garlic. Cardiovascular health. Garlic is a heart health superstar. People at risk of heart disease or heart failure should consider eating garlic more often. Garlic can protect against various cardiovascular problems, including the risk of heart attack, stroke, and atherosclerosis. In other words, it can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve circulation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. In addition, garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds that prevent blood vessels from becoming blocked and slow down the process of hardening of the arteries that occurs naturally with age. On the other hand, garlic also helps to keep arteries flexible, preserving their ability to stretch, as well as protecting the heart from the damaging effects of oxygen-free radicals. This vegetable can also help reduce blood triglycerides and overall cholesterol by reducing the formation of plaques in the arteries. Immune boosting. Garlic is like nature's antibiotic. It contains allicin, a compound that has been proven to stimulate the immune system, helping your body fight infections. The allicin substances in garlic stimulate immunity and have an antioxidant action, which is fundamental for strengthening the immune system and preventing diseases in the long term. Another factor that helps with immunity is garlic's anti-inflammatory, decongestant, and expectorant properties. Antioxidant properties. Garlic is loaded with antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. In other words, having antioxidant action means contributing to the reduction of molecules that cause aging and cell death, and also lead to the appearance of degenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, arthritis, and others. The saponins and phenols present in garlic have been shown in studies to have an important antioxidant action, especially in raw garlic and black garlic. Anti-inflammatory effects. Your immune system becomes activated when your body recognizes anything that is foreign, such as an invading microbe, plant pollen, or chemical. This often triggers a process called inflammation. Intermittent bouts of inflammation directed at truly threatening invaders protect your health. However, sometimes inflammation persists day in and day out, even when you are not threatened by a foreign invader. That's when inflammation can become your enemy. Many major diseases that plague us, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, depression, and Alzheimer's, have been linked to chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat inflammation and promote overall well-being. Garlic and cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic can reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly in the digestive system. Its sulfur compounds can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. People who consume garlic daily have a lower risk of developing most types of cancer. This is because garlic contains allyl sulfites, powerful anti-cancer compounds. In addition, this vegetable also contains a compound called amine, which has often been associated with lower risks of breast cancer in many women. Improved digestion. Garlic can aid digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. Garlic can help improve the digestive process of ingested food. However, it is not recommended for those with gastric problems, as it can increase the formation of acid in the stomach. The liver, being the organ responsible for metabolizing toxins that enter the body, sometimes becomes overloaded, which can cause diseases such as cirrhosis. Due to its high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, garlic can protect the liver from various toxins by aiding its function. Benefits for the skin. If you suffer from acne, you can cleanse your skin using garlic. In short, simply cut a clove of garlic in half and rub it lightly over your skin. In this way, the antibacterial properties of garlic help to cleanse the skin and remove impurities quickly. As well as being useful for treating acne, garlic can also be used as a natural exfoliator. To use it, simply make a paste of olive oil, sugar, and chopped garlic. You can also add the flavorings of your choice. Then massage it onto your face in circular motions and rinse. What's more, garlic can even help treat corns and warts on the hands and feet. You just need to apply a little garlic extract, which dissolves fat, to the affected area and leave it on. As we wrap up our exploration of garlic's benefits, remember that this kitchen superhero isn't just for flavor, it's for your health too. Whether you're enjoying it in a savory pasta dish or seeking its healing properties, garlic deserves a special place in your kitchen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video enlightening and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow food lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Haven for more culinary adventures and health insights. So let's celebrate the incredible world of garlic and savor its many benefits. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.